Hello there, second graders. We are ready to go to page 115 in our math books, our Big Ideas math books. We are on lesson 3.3, and our learning target for the day is use place value to add two numbers. Now, this first one, this is an interesting one because we've been practicing this in our morning math that we've been doing. And I want to show you how we can do this on our own to add these big numbers. So, how can you use a model to solve 37 plus 15? Now, in our morning math, we have lines that stand for 10, and we have squares that stand for 1. So I'm going to have my tens and my ones for 37 and my tens and my ones for 15. Here's what we're going to do. I have 37. That means 10, 20, 30 in this column, in the tens column, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then for 15, I have one set of 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I go to solve this problem, I'm going to count up all of my ones. I'm going to count up all of my tens and see how I can get this answer. All right. I know that if I have 5 and 5 more, that is going to make another set of 10. So I'm going to come and bring this over here, right? I don't have 10 individual pieces anymore. I have one new set of 10. So instead of 12 over here on the one side, I have 10 over here and 2 left on this side. So now let's count how many I have. I have 1, 2 on the one side, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, plus my new one, 5. I have 5 on the 10 side. So I have 2 here and 5 here. 37 plus 15 equals 52. Let's look at the next page. All right. Now they want to show us this so that we can use these formulas to do our adding. It says use place value to break apart the addends, that's the things that we're adding together, into tens and ones. Add the tens, add the ones, then find the whole sum. So if I have 46, that's the same as 40 plus 6. If I have 25, that's the same as 20 plus 5. That's what we've been doing the past 2 days, trying to do our tens and our ones. And when I say 6 plus 5, that's a near double. That's one more than 5 plus 5, so that's 11. 40 plus 20 is 4 tens plus 2 tens, which makes 6 tens, and 60. 60 plus 11. My ones, I say I have 1 plus 0, and 1 plus 6 is 7, so I have 71. All right, let's take a look at this. And if I'm going too fast, boys and girls, remember, you always can hit pause and watch it again. You can go back, okay? So you are in charge. You get to see this as much as possible. So my 13, I have a set of 10 and 3 ones. My 82, I have 8 tens and 2 ones. So let's add my ones together. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 1 set of 10 plus 8 sets of 10 is 9 sets of 10, which makes 90. I have 9 in the tens place, 0 in the ones place. So that makes it nice and easy for me to say 95. Here we go. 51 plus 36. So I have 5 sets of 10 and 1 1. 36 3 sets of 10, that makes 30, plus 6 ones. 1 plus 6 is 7. 5 tens plus 3 tens is 8 tens. 80 plus 7, especially because there's nothing in my ones column, all I have to do is say 87. All right, let's look at the next problem. 49 plus 15. I have 40 plus 9. I have 15, that's 10 plus 5, right? 4 in the tens column, 9 in the ones column. 1 in the tens column, 5 in the ones column. 9 plus 5, I can count up. 9, I take 1 away. 9 plus 1 is 10. And when I took 1 away, now that makes that a 4. So I can have 14. Okay? Or I can say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5 dots, that makes 14. I have 4 sets of 10 and 1 set of 10. 4 sets of 10 plus 1 set of 10 equals 5 sets of 10, which is 50. Now, 50 plus 14. The ones column is just going to add to the 0. The tens column, I have 5 tens plus 1 more 10 here. Now I have 6 tens, 64. Let's do the next one. And yes, I do know that I'm going quickly. You can do this. All right? Remember, pause, rewind, watch it again, or ask your teacher questions. All right, 28 plus 64. 28 is 2 sets of 10, which is 20. 8 ones, that's 8 ones. 64 is 6 sets of 10, or 60, and 4 ones. There we go. So I'm going to add my 8 plus 4. Let's do it this way this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? 2 sets of 10 plus 6 sets of 10 is 8 sets of 10. 2 plus 6 equals 8, but it's not just 8, it's 8 sets of 10. When I count 8 sets of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 8 sets of 10 is 80. I have 2 in the ones column and 0 in the ones column. 2 plus 0 is 2. I have 8 in this tens column. I have 1 in this tens column. 8 plus 1 is 9. 92. All right, let's keep going. Page 117. Let's keep going. 67 plus 21. 67 is 6 sets of 10 and 7 ones. 21 is 2 sets of 10 and 1 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 6 sets of 10 plus 2 sets of 10 is 8 sets of 10, right? 6 plus 2 is 8, but not just 8, 8 sets of 10. 8 sets of 10 plus 8 ones is 88. Let's do this next one. 45 is 4 sets of 10 and 5 ones. 54 is 5 sets of 10 and 4 ones. 5 plus 4 equals 9. There's no sets of 10. It's just 5 plus 4. 4 plus 5 is the same because I can add in any order, but it's not just 9. It's 9 sets of 10. 9 sets of 10 is 90 plus 9 is 99. All right. Shall we do 2 more? Let's try 2 more and then we'll assign our page. 7 sets of 10, or I'm sorry, 72. 7 sets of 10, 2 ones. 17 is 1 set of 10 and 7 ones. 7 plus 2. I put the bigger number in my head and I count up 2. 7, 8, 9. 7 plus 1 is 8, but not just 8. 8 sets of 10. 8 sets of 10 is 80. 80 plus 9 is 89. 31, 3 sets of 10 and 1 1. 15, 1 set of 10 plus 5 ones. 1 plus 5 is 6. I just put the 5 in my head and count up 1. 3 sets of 10 plus 10 more is 4 sets of 10. 40 plus 6 equals 46. All right, boys and girls, hope you got that. Remember, you were using place value. We're adding tens and ones. We're adding 2 numbers. Here's your page that I want you to do, that Mrs. Raber and I want you to do, page 119. There's a challenge on page 120. Unless your family says you are going to do all of the challenges because you are so smart, that's what we want you to do. Remember, you can point your camera here and it will show you some explanations about this. And if you have any questions, let us know. All right. Have a great day.